Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab I'm going to be doing a red lipstick swatchable type of video. It is that time of the year, honey, when you have your work holiday parties, you have your friends holiday parties, you have holidays with your family, and you always need a poppin' red lip. So I'm going to swatch my few red lips, and don't judge me, I have a lot of red lips, but they're all different undertones and finishes, but we're going to get into that as I'm swatching them in the video. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up for more videos, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump right on in because I already know my lips are they're about to be raw. So let's just get on into this video. So I'm going to start with the creamy ones first because I already know it's gonna go down. So first I'm going to go in with this Too Faced one. This is the Too Faced Muy Caliente lipstick, and I did a review on these on my channel before. They smell just like peaches. They have the peaches engraved in them. The packaging is super cute, really girly, gold, white, and everything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this one. And this one's more of a it's like a creamy matte. Let me get a mirror. That would be helpful. So this one is like perfect for a holiday party. It's more of an orange undertone. Super creamy, not too dry. It's definitely giving me like, she's an adult, honey. Yes. This is really cute. I only wore this one like once, but I think I'm gonna pull this one out for this holiday season. Alright. So another one of mine that I wear all the time that people ask me about is the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Bawse, and it looks like this. This one is a liquid lipstick. So this is Bawse by Smashbox. Definitely a blue undertone, and it's a matte finish. So once it dries, it's super pretty. Like, I'm not going to let it dry because I want to move on to the next one, but yes, this is the Smashbox Bawse, B-A-W-S-E. So check this color out. My next one is a one that is super bright. It's almost like an orangey red, but this one is by Milk Makeup, and it is in the shade Name Drop, and it looks like this. This one is definitely like a bright orangey red. So it's probably looking more orange than red, but I'm telling you, it's like a red that has a lot of orange pigment in here. So it's pulling more orange, but it's definitely, it can be a red. Like, so if you want more of an orangey, bright orangey red, then that would be this, something like this. This one's super creamy as well, not too matte on the lips. It's not a liquid, it's not a liquid lipstick or a regular lipstick, but it's in between, so it gives enough sheen as well as matteness to withhold for the longevity of the day. But it's super comfortable on the lip as well. And again, this is the Milk Makeup lip color in the shade Name Drop. Next one is a oldie but a goodie. This is like my first red lipstick I had in my collection, and this one is by Stila. It's the Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Fiery. These are so comfortable on the lips. They last all day, and look, so pigmented. This one is a blue undertone. Again, I love a good blue undertone red lipstick. It just seems like it makes your lips white. Make your lips white. Make your teeth so white. Sorry if my swatches are not that perfect, but my camera's about to die and my lips are getting raw. So this is the Stila one. Again, Stay All Day matte liquid lipstick in the shade Fiery. I haven't worn this one in so long. I think I'm gonna bring this one back out as well. Perfect for the holidays. Now on to some liquid lipsticks that are metallic. This is the Sephora one and then the Smashbox one. So I'm gonna swatch these so you can see the difference in the two. So the Smashbox one is called Maneater, which is this one. And the Sephora one is the number 64. So as you can see, the Sephora one is a bit brighter and the Maneater one is a bit deeper, but they both are metallic lips. So if you wanted to go for more of a brighter one, I would suggest the Sephora brand. If you wanted a deeper one, then I would suggest the Smashbox brand. And this one I'm not going to put in my lips because it's like a classic. This one is Ruby Woo. But you never can go wrong with Ruby Woo. I'm going to put one of the metallic ones on my lips. I think I'm going to go with the Smashbox. So this is the Maneater. Smashbox lipsticks are so comfortable. Like, this is so bomb. Like, I'm torn. I don't even know which red lipstick I want to wear for the holidays. Like, for my holiday parties coming up. This one's super cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And last but not least, this is a Sephora Collection number 01. Like a bright red. This is a bright red, you guys. Look at this. So if you're going for another bright color, then you would definitely like the Sephora 01. But that's what this one is right here. So that is all the reds that I will suggest for this holiday season and that are in my collection. I have a few more reds, but I always talk about Ruby Woo and Kat Von D and Color Pop. So I just wanted to show you guys some other ones that I have in my collection that are super affordable as well and that are so bomb on every skin tone, type, complexion, no matter what. It looks bomb on everybody. So let me know if you tried any of these lipsticks that I tried. Which one was your favorite? You probably can't tell, but comment below if you tried any of these that I've tried on today. And yeah, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.